Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jennina and I do song covers, travel vlogs, grocery shopping vlogs, and lately, I've also been into skincare. In today's video, we'll be reviewing some Mary & May products I received from Style Korean Global. If you don't know, Style Korean is an online shop that caters to K-beauty, K-food, and K-culture. They also have this Try Me Review Me program where influencers can apply to be given the chance to try and review products from different beauty brands in Korea. And I'm lucky to have been chosen. In this Try Me Review Me, they have partnered with Korean beauty brand Mary & May. Mary & May is an honest, clean beauty skincare brand that contains only safe and natural ingredients. They take pride in only including essential, non-harmful, and top-quality ingredients for quick effects. I'm going bare-faced today. Walang makeup yan mga bes. Nagkilay lang ako and nag-lip tint ng konti para hindi naman ako magmukhang multo. And I'll show you each of the products I received and how they fit into my skincare routine. So I received 2 skincare sets from Mary & May, which is called Specially For You, and the Clean Skincare Set. I am in love with the packaging. Isa-isahin ko yung mga products mamaya, but let's just appreciate the boxes first because I'm obsessed with the packaging. So, ang aesthetic nila, very green, nature-like vibes, and elegant at the same time. And what's important to note is that they use recyclable paper mixed with soybean oil ink for their packages. You can see talaga na committed sila on their advocacy towards a cleaner and greener environment. So let's head on first to the Clean Skincare Set. So there we have the White Collagen Cleansing Foam and the Vitamin B5 plus Bifida Toner. Itong dalawa yung nauuna sa skincare routine ko, and I start off with the White Collagen Cleansing Foam. So let's open it. Here is the product. So before doing this vlog, naghilamos na actually ako behind the scenes with this cleanser. And this probably is my most favorite among the products I received. Ngayon lang ako naka-experience ng cleanser na after ko mag-wash ng face ko, feeling ko talaga strip down yung face ko with all the oil, dirt, and impurities as in. And dati, gumagamit pa ako ng micellar cleansing water after washing my face para ma-remove yung natirang dirt pa sa face ko. Pero with this cleanser, there's really no need for a cleansing water pa. My skin's so soft and clean after washing. It feels like a baby's breath. I also think this product is the main reason why the oiliness of my face has been reduced. For the past week or so that I've been using this product, ramdam ko talaga na nabawasan yung oiliness ng face ko, lalo na during the daytime. Kasi hindi na ganun kakintab yung face ko sa tanghali, unlike dati with my past cleansers. The main ingredient of this cleanser is collagen. It contains 46.6% collagen and it helps with skin elasticity. So in simpler words guys, pampabanat siya ng skin. It also contains 1% niacinamide, which is a brightening and whitening ingredient, but also helps balance sebum activity. So even though this product cleanses thoroughly, it will not leave your skin dry after washing. Instead, it is still very moist. This originally costs $13, but when you buy it on the Style Korean website, it is nearly half of the original price. It is, I think, $6 to $7 on the website. And I think that's roughly 350 pesos lang. Sobrang sulit nun, guys. And I really highly recommend this product. Especially to my girls who have oily skin types like me. Next on my routine is this vitamin B5 plus Bifida toner. So, let's open it. So, as you can see, may bawas na yan kasi I've been using this for like a week or so na rin. So, here it is. First look at the packaging. It's very high-end and mukha talaga siyang mamahal. Very classy. But I have a problem sa pump nito. Naglulus siya and I don't know why. I don't know if the product that has been given to me is defective or ganun lang talaga siya. Minsan, hihigpitan ko siya kasi nga nakikita kong loose siya. Pero the next time na gagamitin ko siya, lumuluwag ulit siya. So, I don't know what the problem is. I don't know if it's supposed to do that or may problem lang doon sa nabigay sa akin. Anyway, I just wanna take note of that because I'm also reviewing the packaging and not only the effectiveness of the product. So, watch out for the pump on this one. But on the plus side din, nakakatulong din yung pump niya kasi unlike other containers ng mga toners, hindi siya pump. Parang diretsong container lang siya na may butas, ganon. So, kapag nag-apply ka ng toner, hindi mo makontrol kung gaano karami yung i-apply mo. Unlike with this one, na nakokontrol mo yung dami ng pwedeng mong magamit. So, hindi siya ganun kabilis na uubos. Kahit na 120 ml lang siya, and compared to others, konti yun, compared to other toners, hindi siya madaling maubos kasi nga nakokontrol ng pump. So, now, let's apply it on my face kasi hindi pa ako nagto-toner, kakahilamos ko lang. There's no tingly feeling, feels very natural on the face. There's no harsh smell. In fact, I love the smell of it. It's very calming. And I just gently pat it on my skin. Contains vitamin B5 or also known as panthenol. It is effective not only in moisturizing and calming but also in healing wounds such as scars and bruisings caused by acne. It also contains bifida that repairs rough skin surface. Now we just let the skin absorb the toner. And it leaves your skin instantly smoother after using it. And what's more important is that it's alcohol-free. Never buy a toner or any skincare product that has alcohol. And I think this product is one of the reasons why my skin went instantly smoother in just a week. Kasi dati, ang dami kong bumps sa skin ko. Lalo na sa may pisngi, feeling ko caused siya by wearing face masks. But with the help of this cleanser and toner, they both created a glossy, clear skin tone effect for my face. I don't exactly know why this is not on the Style Korean website. Feeling ko out of stock lang or na-sold out. But on the Mary and May website, you can buy this at 9,500 Korean won. And that is roughly $16 or 800 pesos. I know it's very pricey, but if you buy this toner and the cleanser as a set, which is called, as I've said earlier, the clean skincare set, mas makakamura kayo. On the Style Korean website, it is $19.50, so that is roughly 1,000 pesos. Sobrang sulit na nun kasi ito 800 pesos, yung cleanser 350, so marami ka nang na-save. And again, this is what the packaging of it looks like. Perfect for gift giving now that the holiday season is fast approaching. Next is this other skincare set called especially for you. This is what it looks like. We have the Idabenone Blackberry Intense Cream and the Idabenone Plus Blackberry Complex Serum. Obviously, this skincare set is mainly focused on two main ingredients, which are the Idabenone and Blackberry extract. I'll explain each of those components later on. So after the toner, I apply serum. I apply this Idabenone plus Blackberry Complex Serum. Let's open it. This is what it looks like. So for the packaging, it's pretty much the standard look for a serum bottle. We have the dropper, but I also love the rose gold print, the rose gold color of the text on the bottle is pretty. So I get a fair amount of the serum. I try to get much of the product up to the full extent of the dropper, like so. And then I just drop 2 on each cheek, and then the rest on the forehead. Then what I do is I massage it. What I love about this serum is it's not sticky, unlike other serums I've used. It's very watery, which is good. It has like a watery texture to it. It's not sticky. It's not oily as well. So when you put it under the makeup, di siya sticky or oily. The color of the serum is orange because of the Idabenone component. It's because it was raw when extracted and not because of some artificial pigment. This serum contains 1,000 parts per million of Idabenone, and according to the American Dermatological Association, it is the most powerful antioxidant. It also contains 20% Blackberry Complex, which removes active oxygen and prevents skin aging. To sum up, this product is mainly focused on fighting skin aging. So I highly recommend this product to our moms out there who are watching this video. Also us women in our early or mid-20s to use this. It is very good to incorporate anti-skin aging products as early as now in your skincare routine. If gusto mo talagang maging maganda pa yung skin mo 20 to 30 years from now, ngayon pa lang magsimula ka nang mag-invest sa mga anti-aging products or even just moisturizer, because starting early really helps in the long run. This serum costs $24.50 originally, but when you get it on the Style Korean website, it's nearly half the price again. I think it's about $10 and that's roughly 500 pesos. So if you're looking for a serum that can make you age backwards, you better try this one. So on to the last among the 4 products, and next on my skincare routine is this Idabenone Blackberry Intense Facial Cream. To be honest, this is the first time that I've incorporated a facial cream to my skincare routine. And this is what it looks like. For the packaging, it's pretty much the standard look again for a cream, a facial cream, and it also has this little spatula. And it's also nice that it has this lid para hindi direktang nagsispill yung product dito sa cap. And this is what the product looks like. It looks very edible to me. Una ko siyang nakita, sabi ko kay mom, parang sarap niya kainin. Parang siyang donut filling. Tapos, even though sabi dito it's fragrance free, but in reality, hindi talaga. May onti siyang smell, but it's not very harsh. In fact, yung smell niya parang gusto ko siyang kainin. It's not very harsh. Very subtle lang. So when I apply this, I take a spatula full of the product. Like so. And then I place it on the back of my hand. Then I gently pat it on my skin. So, as you can see, medyo makintab siya sa face. So, for those who have oily skin types like me, I recommend that you only use this during nighttime. Refrain from using it in the daytime. Kasi for one, feeling ko nakakadagdag siya dun sa oiliness ng face ko during the day, lalo na pag mainit. And second, since mas makapal yung consistency niya to the other products, and since cream nga siya, medyo mainit siya sa face. Not ganun kainit, pero warm siya sa face. Since we are in a very humid country, tropical country such as the Philippines, I do not recommend that you use this during the daytime under makeup. Feeling ko magiging sticky lang din yung makeup nyo. So, I recommend that you use this during the nighttime when it's much cooler. So, like the serum, this cream is also focused on fighting and preventing skin aging since it has same components which are the idebenone and blackberry extract. It also has 48 hours of skin moisture retention, so it keeps your skin hydrated. It also has anti-wrinkle and whitening dual function. On the Style Korean website, this is only $12, which is a 50% markdown from its original price of $24. So that's roughly 600 pesos, and I know it's kind of pricey, but if you really want to invest on anti-skin aging products, you better try this one. Now, on to the last part of my skincare routine is moisturizer and sunscreen. For my neck, I use my go-to moisturizer from Lux Organics, which is the Aloe Vera Soothing Gel Moisturizer. Then, I use the Cica Gel Moisturizer from Face Republic for my face. Going out in the sun, I also use another one of Face Republic's products, which is this sunscreen, the Super Screen Sun Gel with SPF 50. So that is currently my skincare routine using the Mary and May products I received from Style Korean. If you want to try any of these products, I highly recommend this cleanser and toner. They're very affordable and they have quick and effective results. If you want to invest on anti-skin aging naman, then try these two products. They're also perfect for gift giving since they come in gift sets. The Clean Skincare set, which contains the cleanser and the toner, costs roughly 1,000 pesos, as I've said earlier, on the Style Korean website. And when you use my coupon MaryandMayTM, you will get 10% off the products you buy on the Style Korean website with a minimum purchase of $80 or 4,000 pesos. Hurry up and use it because the code only lasts until December 12. You can find the links of all the products I've mentioned in the description box below. So what are you waiting for? Go and do your early holiday shopping at the Style Korean website and give your family and friends some Mary and May products. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have a lot more skincare related and beauty related videos in the coming weeks. So if you're into that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the thumbs up button, and hit the bell to get notified. Stay safe, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!